This drink is cold, but it tastes good. Hi guys, it's your girl Moya Loves, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm on vacation. It is the 2nd of January, and I decided to take a little mental break because I needed it. We just arrived in Los Cabos, which is Mexico. I'm here with my mom, here drinking, I'm not sure what it is, but it got liquor in it. So it's kind of shaky walking to the room right now, and I'm gonna show you guys around, and I'll be back. Better melanin. Okay, right here, sis. Now, I know the scenery looks different. It's not my kitchen with the frosted flakes in the background. I know, but I am actually on vacation in Los Cabos. Now, I didn't want to go up to the turn up part. I wanted to come to the relaxing, serene part. I'm basically here on a little meditating, like mental detox, getting ready for 2020, because you know it's the year of vision. See if that's better angle. Yeah, you guys know it's the year of vision, so we're gonna get this together. I just needed to actually come somewhere where I could relax because I felt like 2019 I did do a lot. I learned a lot, so I feel like I'm gonna take those strengths from 2019 and bring them into 2020, leave all the weaknesses behind, and just actually just mentally relax and mentally get things into order. I'm gonna wake up, you know, meditate, and just, like I said, get things into order. That's what I'm on vacation for, because I believe in balance, and if I work too much, I really cannot process anything. So I just needed this little vacation, and I took you guys with me. The sun is setting, so I just wanted to catch that. It kind of went down a bit, but there it is. You know, just clearing my mind and just putting out in the atmosphere what I want for 2020. Like, I know 2020 is going to be for me. So I haven't made my vision board yet. When I get back, that's what I'm gonna do, make my vision board. This is how I'm starting out my 2020. And when I get back, I have a whole bunch of things I have to unbox. I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you guys, but I'm gonna get back to my mom and then just show you guys around. Hope it's not too boring for you, but I really needed this, so I just wanted to bring you guys along. All right, so I'm gonna check you guys in a bit. So we're by the pool, and we just ordered.
They have
This menu, so cute.
lemon made chicken with garlic.
I decided to get a Cabos margarita since I'm in Mexico. Why not? And my mom got a Mexican mule, so we're gonna see how that tastes. Should be good. The view is really nice.
Beautiful.
Very nice. The sun is setting. Can't see my mom because of the sun, but it's really nice. These bugs are here. No joke right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Hey.
Yeah.
Would you like order right now?
Thank you. Boy.
This is.
This strong.
Oh Lord,
Whoa. Wee.
this is strong
At the
boy.
end, we need him in the U.S. We need to make my drinks. Is
The
the fish?
taco.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Bahatak
Yes.
fish.
Thank you. She said, what it took. We gonna need a next one. We hungry. We ain't eat from morning. All right, fly, stop now. So I got the fish
Would be a lot.
taco.
Come from my belly. I'm sorry. I want the lemon. It's good. It's yeah. Very good.
So my mom, guys, got some avocado pizza. This does look really good. We're just walking by the beach, about to put our feet in the sand. This damn margarita is working. Room service just came to the door. Thank
De
you.
nada. Le ayudo.
Thank you. Bye. So they're so nice here. Is to look this way. I actually have a camera and I brought a camera, but I just feel like filming with my phone is just a little bit better, but might incorporate footage from my camera, but it's just better because it's just easier to edit from my phone. But like, you guys, I brought my stones with me. Like, I'm excited. Like, I brought my stones with me. Well, you know what? Oh my gosh, I forgot my bath milk soak. Are you kidding me right now? All right, I guess I'm just gonna have to use they like have this like container here, which is, I mean, I feel like it's super cute. This is like so dope and nice. Take it out and it's just like bath salt. So I'm gonna use this, my nice bath, and get comfy and just like relax and not think of anything. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say relax, but this is just exactly what I came to do, because when I say I'm gonna go hard for 2020, I'm definitely gonna go hard. Like, I need to be in several stores by next year. I need to actually, I want to say double, but I really feel like saying triple the amount that I made last year in 2019. I just want to just implement some things that just really worked for me in 2019 that I found out in the later months. I'm definitely going to give you guys information, and I have a lot in store for you guys. I have a whole bunch of things that I want to share with you guys. Like I said, I'm still learning, and I have a couple of mentors that I follow, and that once they give us information, I read up upon. So I'm definitely going to enlighten you guys on the information that I do receive. But also, I do want you guys to continue doing your own research and incorporate your own methods into your business so you can make it unique and make it, you know, just what you want. But 2020 is going to be a good year because we're all going to win. There's no ifs, ands, buts, or maybe. We're all going to win. 2020 is the year of vision, and that's what we just set out to do. So, you know, you're here, you're gonna have to put in the work, but we're gonna put in the work together. So I'm gonna feel a little bit more motivated once I finish my, like, I don't know what kind of trip to call this, but it's just a trip for me to just clear my mind. Like I said before, like I'm just here to clear my mind, remove all toxic behaviors, anything that I'm accustomed to that is not really doing me justice, whether in my business or my personal life. That's what I'm here to do, just detox. That's just what I want to do. I want to relax. So basically, tomorrow we have a bit of excursions planned, and we have a bit of stuff to do. Then I'm just gonna like have my own peace of mind to myself, so I could really motivate myself and cleanse my mind to get ready for this new year 2020. Because they say if you want things, you got to prepare for it, and I'm preparing for it. So I need to make space mentally and physically for the things that I want for 2020, and that is what I'm here to do, guys. Now, please excuse me if it is boring, but I just feel like I felt like recording it because I feel like I might reach out to some people who really needs it. So even if you can't take a trip, I just want you to take a couple of days off and just chill and just like go over the things that you really want for your business. Even if you don't do a vision board, mentally prepare for what you want. You want more orders, then mentally prepare for it and then physically prepare for it. You need to get inventory. So, things like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking my so-called goddess bath without my bath milk soap. Gonna turn on my water and get back to you guys shortly. So I'll be back. Bye. Thank you. What happened? What happened? Is there raw beef in there? I told you to get the shrimp tempura like me.
There's raw beef in there.
I told you get the shrimp tempura. Good morning, beautiful people. We are out and about. I didn't bring my shades. I should have brought my shades. Dang. Is it too late to turn back? Dang, I should have brought my shades. Alright, so as you can see, I am in full pants, sneakers, and a hoodie because it is cold here, y'all. I did not expect for it to be this cold. They said that this is not really normal. It's something like a desert, kind of like a desert, because it is really cold in the morning, in the night, and then hot in the day. So I have a shirt underneath. So today we're gonna go ahead and go do some excursions. Again, I'm sorry if it is shaky, but we're on our way to get some breakfast, and then we're gonna head out for the day. So I'm gonna basically catch up with you guys. Last night we didn't do much. We kind of relaxed. Went out by the pool, as I showed you guys, and ate some food. Had some crazy sushi last night. But that was that. So we called it a night last night because we knew that we had to be up early. But even though it's cold, it's still nice. Skin is still glowing. Used my illuminating glow serum today. Really should have brought my shades, but it's cool. But take a look, guys. Like, it's really nice. I think I'm gonna come back here with my daughter. She would enjoy like the 10 swimming pools that they have. But we're on our way out, and I will get back to you guys in a bit. So we cannot, my mom over here, we can't record and we cannot go in with our phones because you already know they want to charge us at the end. So I'm gonna put my phone out to put it in these cubbies here. They don't want anything in there but sunglasses. So I'm gonna get signed in and get ready and get back to you guys. No, he was in my it's all in my lashes. Okay, so we just finished the ATV tour and it was amazing. Riding on the beach. We're all like filthy. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, look at my pants. Where's my sneakers? Like, really filthy. So now, of course, since we couldn't record in there, we're gonna come to look at the pictures, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be like $200. But yeah. Hi. Yes, let's see. This was the picture guy. So hopefully they're nice because they didn't allow us to record. But it was really nice. So I'm gonna look at these pictures and get back to you guys. Hello. Hi. Yeah.
Wasn't it fun?
Yes. Grandma Rubo.
Huh?
Is the name Rubo?
Yeah, Ruddock.
Robert?
Ruddock, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Daniela Silva?
Yeah. Okay.